Hey guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. It's Friday. We talked earlier. I told you we're on a deadline to have all the cars done by the end of the week, and we're this close. This close. Not this one, we're like this close. But like, so the ZR-1 was super complicated. All the curves, all the pieces. You got to think that every one of these pieces are like individual, right? So like we've got to go through and wrap all these. Now we've got to go in and kind of like trim up all the extra because we wrap all our panels in. So that's why you don't see any of our film. It's all hanging over all the edges. So now we got to go in and custom tailor all that. So we got to hide all our edges now. That could take a whole day, you know, and the customer's hoping to have it back 2 hours ago. So we're a little like behind, but we're not too far behind for us. I'm making it work. We have this Suburban we got to jump on next. Another big challenge we ran into is these custom blue wheels. The custom blue wheels, we had to like match to the stripes and we had to match the emblems to. Finding the blue to match was almost impossible. We found one, went to order it, out of stock. Perfect. And we had to like order another one. And it's gonna arrive today at noon. And then as soon as that lands, we've got to be ready for the stripes. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so these emblems, we also had custom airbrushed to match the wheels. And they're gonna go kind of like back here. It's all like the little accents that we do. They're gonna go like back here-ish somewhere, I think. Please insert factory location, but these are just one of them. We're gonna make the mirrors blue. We still have to wrap the big wing, so we have to finish that off today. Today we're doing a lot of detail work. We're trimming, we're cleaning, we're trimming, we're cleaning. We've got most of the window tint on there, also very challenging. We did full windshield, we did side doors, we still have the back glass to do. So there's a lot of little pieces to put together at the end of the day, but it's like that all the time. Like every week, it's a new project, it's a new deadline. The customers are always like, I want my car back by the weekend, it's almost the weekend. So the cool thing is if we don't have it back, I have to drive it across town to the guy. So I was like, you know, that's pretty cool. Like, I mean, I guess I can, you know what I mean? He's like, he made sure to remind me to keep it under so many RPMs because it's a new break-in. And I'm like, dude, I'm not getting on your car. Like, Andre's been here since 8 a.m. trimming up on this stuff, going over this rear bumper. We started it yesterday. It's super challenging. I mean, one of the most challenging installations, honestly. Like, as far as like so many different pieces and levels to this. But honestly, it's coming out flawlessly. It's just a lot of work and a lot of time. So we're working on that. The Zamboni came out flawless. I'm telling you, Santa Claus is gonna be proud. He's gonna send me a gift. Probably Dustin and Andre and Ramon also. When we laid this out, Santa's face was like over here and it looked all weird. So we were able to slide the whole thing, had some custom pieces made to keep the stripes flowing. It looks great. I mean, looking at it as a picture, it looks cool, but if you look at all these like little nuts, all these little rivets, every piece has a different curve, angle, and cutout. This right here, obviously, the stripe flowing, we had to make all this fit and make it work. All these little rivets and pieces, super pain in the butt. Like, I'm talking like, One of my favorite parts is where Dustin put this over here, and he put a little piece in there, look. Oh yeah, see how I put the red inside of the hole to match the blue? That was pretty cool. So we've had 2 guys on it for the past 3 days. So, and they've been working about 8 hours a day. So, you know, we've got, what is that, like 6 times 8 is 78, 58, 55, 48-ish. I'm just thinking right now, 16 times 3, 48, yeah, 48 man hours. And we still got to put it together. They're gonna want their exhaust back on, I think. And then they're gonna want all their little pieces and stuff put on, all the trap doors and stuff. So it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be fun. So definitely Bass Pro sent us this. Obviously working with them for their, I believe it's their ice rink, I'm assuming, and it might be going down to like Big Cedar. It might be going to some local place. They didn't tell us. They just said, hey, can you wrap a Zamboni? And I said, what's a Zamboni? And and then I said, sure, I can wrap a Zamboni, whatever you got, bring it over. That's about actually how it went. So I said, send me a picture of it because I have no idea what you're talking about. And then they were like, then I was like, oh, the ice thing. Yeah, sure. We can, in the picture, it looks a lot more easy than it was doing this. But we've got it all done, wrapping it up, big week. Oh my God, I'm under so much pressure today because we've got a lot of work to do. I got to go work. You'll see some finished pictures and videos, maybe some shorts on the stripes on the ZR-1 coming up soon. And just keep an eye out for that. It's gonna be fire. I can't wait to have the only one with custom matching stripes. You know, no big deal. You know, no big deal. Just knocking it out of the park. Hold up, I'm gonna stop this video right here and I wanna show you the finished product of the ZR-1. So we just finished the ZR-1. The first challenge we ran into was matching the vinyl to the custom blue wheels that came factory on the ZR-1. the custom stripes, along with the mirrors, along with the emblems, all to match the wheels. Paragon Performance actually asked the customer what color that was because they haven't been able to find one to match yet. So it was a nice compliment coming from them. They're a high performance shop. We custom built the kit of stripes. We custom did the mirrors, and we did the emblems, and we did a full paint protection wrap, obviously, which was super challenging. Then we relayed all the badges on top of it. It came out amazing. It was a flawless job, honestly. And we were really proud of the work, and we did a ceramic coating on the wheels and glass to kind of just top it off and give it that extra shine and performance that you're gonna need for years to come. You can only get that at Show Me Tint, so hit us up. We're ready for you when you are. Look at that, boom.